Dear students, today we are going to start a second bit of entrepreneurship development, that is qualities of a successful entrepreneurs. So here students, entrepreneur is a key to success his business. Some of the person has been said that entrepreneur is a captain of a ship. So let's have one by one that what are those qualities of an entrepreneur to have that successful in market. First point, that is discipline. Now one of the important qualities of an entrepreneur should be there. So he knows that all important aspects, how to handle that business and how the business can be equipped or how that business can be more profitable in the market. He know that better job for the purpose of, we can say that whatever the disciplines are there in that entrepreneurs. So he focused on that particularly work, that is we can say business work. Another important thing is that whatever the problems are there, whatever the hindrances are there, he tried to eliminate, he tried to solve that problems, and he knows that because of his knowledge, he take that strategies, he prepare that strategies for become an successful and entrepreneurs. Whenever he think about that business point of view, he has all work in that particularly discipline in his business. So that's why here more important things for the entrepreneur is that he has to take that all kind of the strategies which have been success to the business market. So he is well disciplined, he must have that qualities of an entrepreneur. So there is a need of, we can say that he always believe in that particularly that discipline is most important for an successful and entrepreneurs. Now another important thing is that confidence. So students, you know that in the last every entrepreneurs have that confidence about his business. Most of the important thing is that entrepreneur never asks the questions to himself whether I will be succeed, whether I will be suffer the losses. He knows that I have that confidence about my business. I have confidence about that my employees. So he self-confidence is must be there among, we can say that entrepreneurs. So that's why here whenever he work for a business, whenever he work for that particularly firms or an manufacturing companies, one must have that confidence about that business activities, and whatever the task is there among, we can say that entrepreneurs, that should be have more confidence among entrepreneurs. So that is another important qualities of that particular entrepreneurs. Now another important thing is that here he believe in that particularly with the help of, we can say, how he make that more confident about himself because of, we can say that newly started business, because of, we can say that knowledge, because of, we can say that having all those efforts. So he bring all those confidence among himself. So that is the second quality should be there among entrepreneurs. Another important thing is that open-minded. Now next quality is related that open-minded. Open-minded in the sense that in every situations a businessman or an entrepreneur thinks about that a business opportunities. Now most of the important aspects we want to come to here that generally whatever the ideas are there, whatever the things belongs to that workflow, and it will be more efficiently can be how that with the help of the open-minded. He should not be get any frustrated among himself. He should not be get any kind of the, we can say that negativeness. So he should have that open-minded that the work should be go in a proper manners. So everything goes on that for the purpose of becoming a successful entrepreneurs. Most of the things what happens here with the help of the ability, he focused on particularly on the business and task and that project. मुलांनो, यामध्ये आपण एक विचार केला पाहिजे की एखाद्या उद्योजकांनी जर व्यवसाय सुरू केला असेल तर ह्या मोकळ्या मनाचं हे व्यक्तिमत्व त्या व्यक्तींकडे असतो. पण बरेचशा आपल्या व्यक्तिमत्वाच्या आधारावरच जे खुल्या मोकळ्या मनानेच ज्या पद्धतीने तो काम करतो अशा पद्धतीचे कुवत त्या व्यक्तींमध्ये असायला पाहिजेत. म्हणजे उद्योजकाचे गुण हे यामध्ये दिसून येतं की एखाद्या उद्योजकाला यशस्वी होण्यासाठी अशा पद्धतीचे गुण असणे आवश्यक आहेत. तर यामध्ये बरेचसे जर याच्यामध्ये विचार केला गेला ते फक्त उद्योजक आपल्या ध्येयाकडे लक्ष केंद्रित करत असतो आणि जे आपलं ध्येय आहे ते ध्येय पूर्णपणे गाठायचं असतो. म्हणून एखाद्या उद्योजकाला मोकळ्या मनाने त्याचं काम जे आहे ते चांगल्या पद्धतीने केलं पाहिजे आणि हे सगळ्या गुण त्याच्यामध्ये असणे आवश्यक आहे. तरच ते उद्योजक जास्तीत जास्त मार्केट कॅप्चर करू शकतो. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज दॅट इज सेल्फ स्टार्टर. नाउ सेल्फ स्टार्टर इन द सेन्स दॅट पर्टिक्युलरली ही नो दॅट जनरली when if you start a new business he has to start himself first and then only he indulge in that business activity. First of all he has to do that work. He needs to bring that all those things which are required for a businessman. Generally when he start the business himself he knows everything about that. Whatever he decided, whatever he make a parameter for that particular project, and according to that parameters, according to that project, he works on it. Generally, most of the businessmen, most of the entrepreneurs, they start with the help of indulging in the business, and they started by himself that business with the help of an entrepreneurs. And entrepreneurs having that lot of, we can say, difficulties in that particularly business activities. So he must have to be indulged in them. Generally, whenever he needs to be done something, so he has to start first that business activities. मुलांनो, स्वयंचालक ह्याचा अर्थ असा की बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी जी आहेत आपल्याला जे उद्योग सुरू केलेले आहेत किंवा त्यांनी जे उद्योग सुरू केलेले आहेत स्वतःच्या बळावर स्वतः ते अगोदर त्याच्यामध्ये काम करण्याची कुवत दाखवणे म्हणजे सेल्फ जे असतो स्वतः ते काम करत असतो. एखादी गोष्ट पूर्णपणे यशस्वीरित्या पार पाडायची असेल तर स्वतः ते काम पूर्णपणे आपल्या ताकदीने ते काम करण्याची इच्छा तिथं करत असतो. पण इथं कोणतेही आपण एक विचार केला असते की प्रत्येक एक उद्योजक असतो त्याच्यामध्ये अनेक गोष्टी निर्माण असतात, परंतु कोणतेही ज्या परिस्थितीमध्ये ते काम करतो उद्योजक कुणाचाही ज्या पद्धतीने वेळ जे आहेत किंवा वाट पाहणारा हे व्यक्ती नसतो, म्हणून स्वतःच आपला व्यवसाय स्वतः सुरू करू शकतो. So this is one of the important qualities among the particularly entrepreneurs, that is self-starters. Now another important thing is that competitive. Now today at present there are number of manufacturers are there in the nations or in the world. Everybody wants to become a good entrepreneurs and successful entrepreneurs. Competitive in the sense that once he have been decided, once he have been started their unit or a new unit, so he has to be make a job better one, and he knows that he can do that better job than other manufacturing companies. So he has to be compared to others ones. He brings that all those some activities which have been has to be success in that business. So that's why when he bring all those activities, he can be more successful in the market. He wins the game of the business with the help of, we can say, having that lot of, we can say, that efforts. And another important thing here that when he keep that competitive in the sense that he has to look after that past, whatever the profits, whatever the losses he suffers, and what is the next one, and what are those solutions which can be compete to others ones. So he knows well and good. He tried to bring that all the records of the last years, or we can say few years, and he make that more improvement in them, and he enter in that market with the help of, we can say, having that efforts and that, we can say, that confidence among himself. So one of the important qualities should be there among the, we can say, that entrepreneurs. Next point, that is, we can say that strong work ethics. Now most of the important thing is that here strong work ethics represent that he will have to be work himself first of all. Now most of the cases what happens, if an entrepreneur comes in the manufacturing concerns or he started a business, that time what happens, some of the entrepreneurs they comes at the last. So here is the responsibility of that entrepreneurs. He should come first before coming that employees in that office, and he should leave that office after that, we can say, completion of that work by the employees. So that is a key role of, we can say, entrepreneur how to successful. So majority of, we can say, that he should come earlier in the office, then only he can be make more, we can say that changes and whatever the works which have been going in the business activities, he can concentrate on these subordinates and we can say that employees like that. So he should have that strong work ethics among, we can say that, entrepreneurs. So this is one of the important qualities. He has to be maintained, that very important things. Another important in that work ethics, we can come to know that he have that particularly hard working, we can say that, ability. Now what happens, what is the reason behind this? How many entrepreneurs are, we can say, today at present they are success? Only because of having that indulge in that business activities. Now he has strong work ethics in the sense that he has to do that extra work, even in holiday also. That entrepreneurs work in a holidays, that is, we can say that whether it may be the national holidays or you can say Sunday, like that, so that it comes to that true of that entrepreneurs. So he believe that in hard working, so definitely that he will become more successful in that market. So that's why here there is a need of, we can say that, strong work ethics among, we can say that, one of the important entrepreneur that qualities. Now another important thing is that creativity. Now you see that, friends, most of the entrepreneurs, they want to create new things. They want to create that ideas. What are those new things can we bring in our firms, in our business? So here that quality should be there among the, we can say that, manufacturers, or we can say that entrepreneurs. Mostly what happens that whenever we think about that creativity, that all those aspects should be, ideas should be implemented. Then whatever the new things he has to bring in that market, that has to be changed in the, according to, we can say that, plan which has been decided by the, we can say that, entrepreneurs. And most of the important aspects we come to know here that when once creativity happens in that business, definitely that entrepreneur will be success in his business activities, or many things which has to bring new things in the firms. Another important thing is that particularly determinations. Now here determination in the sense that once he decided, yes, I want to success in the market. So he decided that, yes, we want to make that more efforts in our business activities. He never thinks that whenever the entrepreneur defeat in the market, he never get that frustrations among himself. Whenever the failure times comes, that time he thinks that entrepreneurs is an opportunity to him. म्हणजे मुलांनो, आपण जर पाहायला गेलं की हे निश्चय जे आहेत, एखादा उद्योजक ज्या पद्धतीने काम करत असतो किंवा व्यवसायामध्ये काम करत असतो, हे निश्चय केलेला असतो की मला हे यश प्राप्त करायचं आहे. म्हणून हे सगळ्या गोष्टी त्या व्यक्तीमध्ये असणे, गुण असणे आवश्यक असते. म्हणून ह्या अनेक गोष्टी प्रत्येक उद्योजकाकडे आपल्याला दिसतं की बऱ्याचशा जे काही नैराश्य पण येत असतो, परंतु हे नैराश्य जे हे एक वाटचाल जे आहे त्याच्याकडे एक संधी म्हणून तो बघत असतो. अनेक वेळेस व्यवसायामध्ये त्याचे पूर्ण अपयश आपल्याला काही कारणास्तव आलेले दिसतात, परंतु हे खचून न जाता तो व्यक्ती, उद्योजक, जास्तीत जास्त हे काम करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो आणि हे आपल्याला एक नवीन संधी आहे आणि म्हणून तो निश्चय करत असतो की आपल्याला हे जे वर्क करायचं, जे आपण निर्णय घेतलेले आहेत ते आपण पूर्ण पार करणे आवश्यक आहे. म्हणून हे निश्चय एक अतिशय महत्त्वाचे गुण आहेत या एंटरप्रेन्योरमध्ये किंवा एक उद्योजकामध्ये. म्हणून ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी इथं आवश्यक आहेत, जेणेकरून उद्योजकाला पूर्णपणे बाजारपेठेमध्ये यश प्राप्त करायचं असेल तर निश्चय तो नेहमीच करत असतो आणि प्रत्येक गोष्टीच्या वरती ते विचार करत असतो. त्याच्यानंतर जे आहे, another important thing is that strong communication skills. Now strong communication skills, you know that particularly it belongs to that many peoples, consumers, we can say that officers, there is a need of, we can say that a good communicators. Good communication skills should be how that an entrepreneurs. What are those communication skills which can be sell in the market in a proper manners? So if there is a communication skill is there, so definitely he can be achieve the target. Definitely he can be success in the market in a proper manners. Another important thing is that he has that more experience regarding that. He knows everything, how he can be communicate to the employees, and well being motivated to that employees, that whatever the success comes true, that he whenever he wants to communicate, or we can say that motivate to the employees, he knows everything about himself. Because if you do that, particularly motivation to the employees in proper manners, and if you have that strong desire, if you have that strong communications, and you talk properly to that employees with respectfully, then the employees also respect to that entrepreneurs. So he knows everything. If you look after that employee in proper manner, that employee also look after your business. So that's why here the many communication skills are required. Many skills are required for becoming an successful entrepreneurs. So one must have that many people they have been meeting, whether it may be the meetings are there, whether it may be the, we can say that creditors are there, customers are there, suppliers are there. So he wants to make that communications in proper manners. If a businessman want to success, there is a need of strong communication skills among himself. That is an entrepreneurs. Now last, that is we can say passion. Passion, in the name itself we understand that generally everybody knows he loves that works. Definitely he brings that all the achievements whatever he decided in before. So passion is one of the important basic quality or important quality of these entrepreneurs. If he loves that business, if you have that devotion of the business, you know that generally when passion comes, he works a lot of to that particular business. Means he knows that if I work in a proper manners, if you have that good interest in that in our work, so definitely he can be a success in the market. मुलांनो आपण जे पाहूया की बरेचशा जे गोष्टी असतात उद्योजकांमध्ये ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी निर्माण जे करत असतो किंवा उद्योग स्थापन करत असतो, स्थापन झाल्यानंतर त्याच्या अनेक गोष्टी इथं त्याच्या अनेक प्रत्येक गोष्टींचा विचार करून तो पुढे मार्केटमध्ये येत असतो. पॅशन ह्याचा अर्थ असा की हे आवड आहे. म्हणजे उद्योजकामध्ये हे आवड निर्माण असली पाहिजे व्यवसायामध्ये आणि खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात त्याचे काम करण्याची पद्धत जे आहे ते वेगळी पद्धतीने काम करणे आवश्यक असतो. आणि यामध्ये जास्तीत जास्त हे सक्सेस होण्यासाठी भरपूर प्रमाणात तो एक्स्ट्रा वर्क सुद्धा करतो ह्या कामामध्ये. म्हणून आपल्याला इथं दिसून येतं की जास्तीत जास्त हे वर्क जे आहेत एक्स्ट्रा वर्क केल्यानंतर इफ यू डू दॅट एक्स्ट्रा वर्क्स दॅट टाइम ही कम्स नो दॅट यस आय हॅव बीन बिकम अ गुड एंटरप्रेन्योर्स इन द मार्केट. त्यांना जाणवते की आपण हे खूप मेहनत केली आहे आणि आपली आवड असल्यामुळेच या बाजारपेठेमध्ये आपला यश प्राप्त झालेले आहे. Why this passion comes to that? Always here the entrepreneurs make research on it, because entrepreneurs knows that he loves that job, he loves that we can say business, and that's why here by researching always make a business better to bring that strong we can say that more we can say profitable in the market. Generally whatever the activities are done, these number of qualities are required for an entrepreneurs. मुलांनो या सगळ्या गोष्टींचा विचार देखील यशस्वी उद्योजकाकडे ह्या सगळे गुण असणे आवश्यक आहेत. शिस्तबद्ध असणे आवश्यक आहेत, विश्वास असणे आवश्यक आहेत, मोकळ्यापणाने काम केलं पाहिजे, स्वयंचलन असलं पाहिजे. स्पर्धामध्ये जर टिकला असेल तर आपण सगळ्या गोष्टी ते काम करण्याची आवश्यकता असणे गरजेचं आहे. म्हणजे नवीन काहीतरी निर्माण करण्याची गरज आहे, निश्चय घेणे हे गरजेचं आहे. त्याच्यानंतर मग हे जे स्किल आहेत किंवा ज्या पद्धतीने आपण कामाच्या योग्य जे काम पाहतो आणि त्यामध्ये संवहन कौशल्य जे आहेत ते आवश्यक असतो ह्या उद्योजकामध्ये. आणि शेवटी आपण हे म्हणूया की पॅशन इन द सेन्स दॅट हे व्यवसायामध्ये त्याची आवड असल्यावर ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी ज्या आहेत ह्या सगळं यश प्राप्त होतो या उद्योजकाला.